This is what it looked like out here. This ice storm in Memphis, Tennessee. Steady coming down.
Good morning. This is your Riverman reporting live. I'm out here in Bartlett, Tennessee. It looks like a winter wonderland. Well, I tell you, here at my place, I got icy trees. I have about, oh, look at there. Look at all the limbs falling down. Wow. From the ice heavy on the trees there, and look like the neighbors having some of the same problems. I see broken limbs over there. And streets are looking good out here, April, but it's supposed to get worse later. It's your Riverman reporting from Bartlett, Tennessee, and I want all you lovely people to stay safe as we continue to embrace for another winter storm, another winter ice storm rather, February 3rd, 2022. I'm your Riverman, checking out. Bye-bye.
Morning, Memphis. Looks like 1994 all over again. Ice is everywhere. Oh, wow. Limbs falling everywhere, all down on the trees. Oh, wow. I remember 1994, going up 55. Looked like the trees was bound to the Creator. That was a beautiful sight. Y'all be careful.
Getting hairy out here. Getting quite hairy.
Look at this shit. The whole damn road blocked. The whole damn road blocked. Like, what is this? Wall tapping, tap, tap, tap. Like, they don't even got anybody guiding traffic out here. They're just like, there's a tree in the road. Go down the wrong damn side. There's another one right there. Look, they ain't even got this shit blocked off. They got trees and everything. It's Memphis, y'all. A good thing I had 4 low. I can walk right through the fucking goddamn trees. Like, this shit right here is something the fuck else.